Okay, hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about one of the very interesting topics, which is the need of an hour. So how to be confident during interviews or during online interviews, right? So before wasting time, let's get started and let's jump into the video to understand more. So, this was the frequently asked question by people, those who know me, that ma'am, do a video related to interviews and do something related to how to develop confidence during interview. So, I'm going to share with you some 5 tips and which are really going to help you a lot. Yeah. So, the first tip is research about the company. Whenever you go for an interview, first and foremost is research about the company. What happens is when you research about the company, you get a lot of information about the company, like for example what kind of products they have, where is the headquarters situation, and what is actually they are into, who are the stakeholders. This will also help you a lot when at the end, when the employer or when the recruiter or when the interviewer asks you, do you want to ask anything, do you have a question? So that time this research will help you a lot, right? So my first tip is research about the company. Okay, moving ahead now for the second tip. So the second tip is know your profile. Yes, very important, knowing your profile. So knowing about your job skills, knowing about the job description is very important. So when you know about the job description, what you will do is you will match your job skill sets with respect to the job responsibility or the job description what you have read or what the company is actually looking from you. So you need to match your job skill sets with respect to what kind of responsibilities and roles you have been offered. So that is my tip number 2. Coming to tip number 3, whenever there is an interview, I tell people always be dressed in formal attire. Yes. How can you show confident? You can only show yourself you're confident when you are dressed confidently in a formal attire. So my tip number 3 is related to your dressing and your attire. So like for example guys, for you need to wear a jacket or a blazer compulsory during an interview. Do not take an excuse that it's a lockdown and we are at home. No ways, you are at home, still you need to wear a jacket or a blazer, right? Underneath you can wear a shirt which is a solid color, maybe any light color you're wearing. At the same time your hair are properly groomed and you're clean shaved. If you are keeping beard, then it should be well trimmed. These are the 2 or 3 things. If you follow, you will look good, and when you look good, you will feel confident and you will give your best during the interview. And for girls, yes, even your hair should be kept properly. If it is short, you can keep it open. If you have long hair, do not leave it open, because on the screen it will be just your hair are visible. So keep it a ponytail. And yes, wear a nice salwar kameez with a dupatta or a stole, or maybe a jacket on a shirt can also be good to go for an interview. What happens is also I would like to add a little bit of lip color or maybe eyeliner also will give enhancement to your face and the way you're looking, right? Why I'm telling this, because the more you give importance to your dressing and grooming during interview, the interviewer also feels that yes, you have taken an effort, you have given some kind of effort during this interview or for this interview. So you have taken some time extra to actually get ready for this special occasion. So he will also consider that yes, you are serious for this job. So my tip number 3 is also very important. Moving ahead now, I have tip number 4. Now tip number 4 is related to body language. Now you must be thinking, oh, why body language? It's just an online meeting. Yes, but the camera is on. So yeah, the camera is on, the other side the person is looking you, he's watching you or she's watching you. So yeah, so related to this, you need to keep your eye contact on the person. So look into the camera on and off throughout. If you feel that the camera is too high, then keep your chair little above, or if the camera is little below, so keep little bit some more books and make it little heightened so that it comes to your eye level. So your eye contact is important. Keep your smiling face throughout the interview. Nowhere it should be seen that you are nervous, you are serious, or maybe you are overwhelmed. Nothing like that. So yeah, just take care of your smile as well. At the same time, the third thing is hand movements. Yes, hand movements while talking, when you're narrating your first question, like tell me something about yourself. It is a kind of story, so you can talk when you're talking. You are using a lot of hand movements. This will also enhance a lot with respect to your body language, and this will show a lot of your confidence in your interview and interview session. And the fourth and final tip related to this is practice, practice, practice. Yes, before going for any interview, maybe online or maybe offline, just practice whatever you are actually going to do over there. For example, there are some 10 to 15 questions on Google, or many other sources are there, wherein you will get this 10 to 15 basic questions. Just write down, just read and write down and practice and show it to people. If possible, record it and show it to people, and that's how even you will also see, okay, these are the certain things which I was not so good, these are the certain things which I need to work upon. So yes, record as well. This will also make a lot of great improvement while you are giving interview. So the final tip, as I told you, practice and record. These were my 5 tips for you people. I hope you like my video, and I hope this is really going to help you people for your interviews, to show your confidence during online or maybe offline as well. If you have any questions, if you have any queries, please drop down below in the comment section. And yes, do let me know if this is really helpful for you people, so that I will be doing this kind of videos further as well. Thank you so much. And one more thing, if not subscribed, please subscribe my video, because this means a lot and this gives me also a lot of motivation. Thank you so much for watching my video, and all the best. Bye and take care.